Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need admin rights. Once signed in, open Device Manager immediately so you can act. Press Win plus X or right-click, start to launch Device Manager. Make sure you have a UAC prompt ready for elevation. Enable View right arrow show hidden devices to reveal every device under other devices. Once visible, identify entries with yellow warning icons and record their names. This tells you which drivers or hardware ID to target next. Do this now so you don't waste time later. Once you have the hardware ID, you'll know exactly what driver is missing. Right-click the problem device and choose Properties, then Details and select Hardware IDs. Copy the top ID and search it, or download the OEM driver package that matches your Windows 11 build and architecture. Extract any zip. Then back in Device Manager, choose Update Driver, right arrow browse My Computer, and point to the extracted folder. Windows will match the inf and install. Make sure to select Include Subfolders so it finds the right files. After installation, don't skip a restart. Once done, run Action right arrow scan for hardware changes to force recognition immediately. Verify success by opening Properties for the device and checking the Driver and Events tabs for installation dates and no error codes. If Windows still reports an issue, make sure to try an explicit right-click install on the inf or use rollback if a wrong driver applied. If that fails, uninstall the device, reboot, and then reinstall the correct driver. That usually results.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.